Hello students, welcome back to your very own YouTube channel MP Middle School. In today's video we are going to study about garbage in and garbage out. This is one of your science chapter. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. The picture which you saw just now was showing the process of vermicomposting. Let us see what exactly is vermicomposting. It is a type of composting in which certain species of earthworms are used to enhance the process of organic waste conversion and produce a better end product. It is a mesophilic process utilizing microorganisms and earthworms. Earthworms feeds the organic waste material and passes it through their digestive system and gives out in a granular form cocoons, which is known as vermicompost. Let us see how can we do the recycling of paper. In order to do the recycling of paper, we should always focus on 3 R's. The first is reduce, second reuse, and the third is recycle. Reduce means that we should cut down the usage of paper. We should use the paper only in the required quantities. Second is reuse. We can always reuse the used paper. We can make different things out of used paper. This is how we can maintain the environment, and this will also keep our surroundings neat and clean. The third is recycle. Let us read about the recycling of paper in detail. Paper is collected from different garbage bins and is accumulated in a large garbage container. Then the paper is taken to the recycling plant where the paper is segregated into different grades. These are the steps which are telling you the process of recycling. The third step is papers in different grades are then washed with the soap and water to remove ink, staples and glue. It is then mixed with water to create a slurry. On adding some specific materials and chemicals to the slurry, different paper products such as cardboard, office paper, etc. can be obtained. The slurry is then rolled into thin sheets using large rollers. Then the paper is exposed to heat for drying up, and after that it is cut into pieces and is made ready to use again. This is how the recycling of the paper takes place. As you know, there are a lot of steps that are involved in the recycling of the paper. It is a costly process and also a time-consuming one. That is why it is always advised that we should focus more on the first 2 R's, that is reduce and reuse, in comparison to the third R, which is recycling. This was all about the garbage in and the garbage out. I hope you have understood the concept of vermicomposting and the recycling of paper, also the steps that are involved in the process of recycling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you like my video, do comment down below and let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.